Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share your Canva designs with other people. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Then open the design that you want to share. Once your design is ready, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. The Share panel will open with different sharing options. Here you can choose who can access your design. You can keep it private, share it with specific people, or create a shareable link. Next, choose the permission level that you want to give. You can select Can edit if you want others to make changes to your design, can comment if you only want feedback, or can view if you want people to see the design without editing it. If you want to share your design using a link, click Copy Link. Canva will copy the link to your clipboard, and you can paste it into an email, message, or social media platform. You can also invite specific people by entering their email addresses. After adding an email address, Canva will send them an invitation to access your design based on the permission you selected. Before sharing, always make sure you've selected the correct permission level so that people have the access you intend. That's how you can quickly and easily share your Canva designs with teammates, clients, friends, or anyone else. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Canva tutorials and helpful guides. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.